In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPad as microphone for Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use your iPad or an iPhone as an input device, aka a microphone, on your Mac. All that you have to do is connect it to the MacBook or the Mac desktop, and you will find it available under the audio devices. So if you haven't already, plug it in, primarily using a cable, but you might be able to use a wireless connection as well. As long as the iPad is connected to the Mac and it appears under the list of connected devices, you will be able to use it. Now open the audio setup page. So go into the audio devices, and the iPad should be listed here as a valid audio device as long as it was properly connected to your Mac device. Then choose the option to enable the iPad as an audio device, and now it is going to appear once more. You can set it up by going over to input, which is essentially how the audio is going to be going into the MacBook, and then double check everything. If you want to change any of these values, go ahead, although this is optional. Just make sure that it isn't muted. And as long as you unmute it here, you are good to go. You can head over to the system settings, choose the sound options, and if you look under input, it should appear here. If you are using an iPhone, you can also do the same thing, and you can even use continuity camera, which is a feature that allows you to use your iPhone wirelessly as a webcam, but it also allows for audio, so you can use continuity camera to use it as a microphone. But assuming that you want to do it on your iPad, continuity camera is not going to be available, but you can still enable it when you go over to the audio devices. It's as simple as connecting it to your Mac, primarily through a cable or through any other means, enabling it as a device, and then making sure that it is selected as the default input device on your audio settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPad as microphone for Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.